Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to quick and easily make a straight line on Instagram story. First, let's go into the app. Then you'll select your story in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you will select the two A's, the capital and the common A that says create. And then you'll tap. And then to make the line now, you will simply select 1, 2, 3 in the bottom left hand corner. Then you want to select the number sign as you want the underscore. And then you'll simply press the underscore and draw the line as long as you'd like. With the underscore. And after you have drawn the line, if you would like to change the color, simply press on the line, tap on the line, then you'll select all. Then you'll use the color circle at the top of the screen. And then you can simply tap on the color that you like the line to change to. As you can see here. And that's it. That's how you draw a straight line on your Instagram story, and also how to change the color of the line. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.